From weak to warrior, 90 days that change your life. The moment that changed everything. He looked in the mirror and did not recognize himself. Weak arms, tired eyes, no drive and no purpose. Every day felt the same. Waste time, then repeat. But one day he hit the rock bottom. No energy, no confidence, no respect from others or himself. That day he made a decision. I'm done living like this. He had no money, no gym, no sport. But he had pain, and pain is a fuel. Fast forward 90 days, his body transformed, his mind sharpened, his confidence returned. This is not a fairy tale. It's what happens when you go weak to warrior. Why most men stay weak? Most men don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are too comfortable. Comfort kills ambition. Comfort silences pain, but it also silences progress. Look around. How many guys do you see scrolling for hours but can't focus for 10 minutes? They are not broken. They are just stuck in dopamine loops, stuck in soft routines, and stuck in average. But here is the truth. No one coming to save you. You either wake up or stay weak forever. The warrior code, what it takes to transform. A warrior is not born, it's built. He don't chase pleasure. He chose pain because pain is where growth lives. Every day he wake up with purpose. He dreams when others sleep. He reads when others scroll. He acts when others doubt. You don't need to be the stronger. You need to be the most disciplined. And discipline starts with small wins. You don't need a gym. You don't need supplement. You need one thing, reason to fight. The 90 days plan. For 90 days, no excuse. Let's break it down. Step 1, body discipline. Daily body weight routine. Push-ups, squats, planks. Start with 5 to 10. Add reps weekly. 1 rep is a vote for your new identity. Step 2, morning routine, no comfort start. Wake up at the same time. Make your bed. 5-minute cold water on your face or cold shower. 10 push-ups right after waking. Train your mind before you even touch your phone. Step 3, digital detox, mental reset. No phones. 1 hour a day with no device. No dopamine scrolling. Silence distractions. Regain control of your brain. Step 4, warrior mindset habits. Daily journal 1 page. Read 10 pages of self-discipline or mindset book. Visualize your 90-day version daily. You become what you focus on.
In my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people thinking, what they say. In my mind, I'm always the best.
Make it intentional. Step 5, the pain zone. Weekly challenges. Cold shower. Fasted workout. 5-kilometer runs or long walk without music. Lean into discomfort. This is where warriors are made. Real life example, David Goggins. Let me give you a real life example, David Goggins. He was overweight, depressed and stuck. Could barely run a mile. But he chose pain. Every single day running until his feet bleed. Training his mind to suffer. He became a Navy SEAL, then ultra marathon runner, then a best-selling author. 4,030 pull-ups in 17 hours. 100-mile race. Ice bar. Suffering on purpose. No gym, no fancy coach. Just willpower and discipline. He did not just change his life. He became a weapon. If he can do it from zero, so can you. What will happen if you stick to this? Let me paint a picture of who you will become in 90 days. Day 1, you struggle. You are sore. You are tired. Day 10, you are building rhythm. Focus is sharper. Day 30, people start noticing. You walk different. Day 60, you are stronger. Mentally and physically. Distractions feel like poison. Day 90, you are a different man. Built from pain. Powered by purpose. No gym, no trainer. Just you versus you. Most guys dream of changing. You are actually doing it. Warrior knowledge, what every man needs to know. Every man has a warrior inside. You are not built to be soft, but most buried under comfort. You are built to protect, to lead, to conquer. But you can't do that if you waste your energy chasing cheap dopamine. You build strength by doing the hard things when no one watching. The gym is optional, but the fight, that mandatory. You don't need permission to become powerful. You just need a reason. Final challenge, weak or warrior. This is your movement. Are you going to scroll to the next video, or are you going to get up and start? You don't need motivation. You need a mission. The 90 days start today. Right now, no gym, no excuses. Most men will stay weak, distracted and soft, but a few will rise, fight and become warrior. The question is, which one are you? I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.